Ebushafo Mamunina Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Bushafo and then same way. Leave Bawumia out. And let me just say this also at once. Look, I can tell you on record, say, from polling station to electoral area to constituency, regional, national executive, nobody, not even one person, has gotten a endorsement from Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Don't let anybody deceive you. From polling stations up to national, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is not endorsing anybody. Don't think Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is not smart. He's smart too. A smart man like this would think that he would jeopardize his own chances of winning 2028. He will not do that. And don't let anybody who comes to you and comes to tell you, say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bakeno and to Obamana, to Abatia Sanipano. That's the sign of incompetence. I'm telling you. Anyone who cannot stand in front of you and tell you, say, oh, me the voice, may say, and I feel, say, I'm better than so and so because I can do this and that person cannot do it. Instead of campaigning like this, they come and tell you, say, oh, Bawumia Wamichi, Bawumia can finance me. That is a sign of only person himself. He or she does not qualify for the job. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is not endorsing anybody. He's not backing anybody. He himself went through a free and fair process. And so he is allowing for a free and fair process. Whoever delegates of the party are going to choose from the polling station to national, those are the people he's going to work with. He does not care whoever you supported in the flag bearer election. That is past and gone. It is past and gone. And please, let's keep echoing this before a pattern for. Don't let anyone deceive you. People should get the position through merit, not through sympathy, and not through blackmailing, emotional blackmailing. Debbie, I think Betty, thanks for power tapping. I hope you are fine. So that is a one, right? So we have addressed the Ejisu matter. In fact, I forgot to even wish all of you who are workers a happy Workers' Day. That being said, let me just say this in passing. We are back to the times of unemployed so and so associations, like we never left. Today I watched a program, I think Joy Prime, and there are coalition of unpaid nurses, coalition of unpaid teachers. Oh, Ghana penny. This thing we said it too. Ekayo. We said it. We told Ghanaians. We said it. So when I saw it today, I just shook my head. We are back to it. Coalition. And in fact, when I see some of them, they are PRO. Oh yeah. I wish I could go and make fun of him, but I mean, it's not a good thing. Because they are suffering. To work for 14, 15 months with that salary, ain't easy. But we told Ghanaians, we told you. Did you listen?
It is an abomination for an Akan to think that they are going to join the NDC. The moment an Ashanti or an Akan decides to join the NDC, immediately they become an enemy to the growth of Ashanti. And I'm going to give you a chronology of events to justify what I'm saying. Now pay attention. First of all, what was John Dramani Mahamat's opinion of Ashanti people between 2012 to 2016? What was his opinion of the Ashanti people? He, John Dramani Mahamat, claimed that the Ashanti people are so drunk in their mind that even if you use gold to construct road for them, they are not going to appreciate it. It means they are ungrateful people. That is Mahamat's opinion of the Ashanti people. Now, prior to the 2024 elections, what did the NDC do? They camouflaged into something else, okay? They humbled themselves as if, oh, they love Ashantis more than anybody. They came and pleaded with Ashantis that they want just 30% of their vote in the Ashanti region to win the elections. And what did the Ashantis do? They ditched the MPP. Some of them refused to vote for the MPP and gave the NDC the 30% plus that they needed to win the elections. And right after the elections, right after winning the elections, what did the NDC do to the Ashanti people? people. They first of all championed an agenda against the Ashanti people. They went and sponsored people like Kevin Taylor to come and attack the Ashanti people so that it will create the impression that, oh, all of a sudden they have realized that, okay, Ashanti people don't like them. After winning the elections, now they have realized that Ashanti people don't like them. Now, why did they do that? They did that because they wanted to now reorient their mindset that Ashanti does not deserve, Mpuntojuma, or Ashanti does not deserve for them to come and do developmental project in the Ashanti region. They, as a government, were reorienting their mindset all of a sudden after winning the election using Ashanti region. They were now reorienting their mindset, reminding themselves that, oh, finally we remember, Ashantis don't love us. Oh, Ashantis don't love the NDC. Ashantis don't like the NDC. They did that for a purpose. Now, that is what informed Mahama. That is what prompted Mahama into appointing non-Akans into the positions of MMDCs in the Ashanti region. Non-Ashantis, okay? He appointed many people who are non-Ashantis, who are not indigenous of the Ashanti region. He appointed them in the position of MMDCs. That is the second crime John Dramani Mahama and the NDC committed against the Ashanti region. If you are an Ashanti and you are forcefully trying to say that you love the NDC, NDC does not love you. NDC always reminds themselves. They always keep on reminding themselves that Ashanti don't love them, so they don't love Ashanti. So if you love the NDC as an Akan or as an Ashanti, you are forcefully trying to find love where love does not exist. Now, the third thing the NDC did against the Ashanti people was appointing Dr. Frank Amakohine as Ashanti regional minister. A mediocre of a person calling himself a regional minister. Now, if the NDC really cared about Mpuntojuma, they really cared about the development of the Ashanti region, do you think they would have appointed somebody like Dr. Frank Amakohine to be Ashanti regional minister? What is his pedigree? What is his experience? If you are looking for somebody to manage Ashanti region as a minister, wouldn't you be looking for somebody who has experience, somebody who respects the culture, somebody who is measured in their language? But they deliberately appointed Dr. Frank Amakohine as the Ashanti regional minister because they take Ashanti region for a joke. They think that they are not interested in doing anything substantial in the Ashanti region, so they don't need to appoint somebody who understands the terrain in the Ashanti region, somebody who will listen to the people in the Ashanti region. They only wanted somebody who would take them on a journey of drama and mediocrity, jokes and drama. That is why they appointed Dr. Frank Amakohine as the regional minister in the Ashanti region. So if you look at NDC's plans all this while, they've been mocking the Ashanti people, and the Ashanti people are not seeing it. Okay, all the NDC is looking for in the Ashanti region is votes. They are looking for numbers. They are not looking for development. The Ashanti region belongs to the MPP, not because the MPP takes them for a ride, but because it is only the MPP that has always been interested in bringing development into the Ashanti region. So if I see an Ashanti who says they love the NDC, like, I pity them. Like, it funnies me because you can never find anything in NDC. NDC has nothing to offer the Ashanti people, and the earlier you realize this, the better.
Dundum Ashanti region. Okay. These same people in the back as some way today. These same people in the bed this and throw when I got for.
Ansana me call ni anamason inti sa crow na oko high tension so Akufo-Addo ye ni crow a wejida high tension so ala
minim da orempon se yenda na nya Mahama ni NDC anka minim se anomai oye kwa da bia ni kon mu fita ni hutuntum no otumi gira high tension cable so ma ne to
wo so de no wo
no python yes python so da transformers na so no transformer no
ana we ana odum o hwe patase wase monko odum so
wase patase for ende kura mo nda kanya mu na python na call bikebu na dum pre no wona nanti akodu ahojo wase ahojo da bi me ma mo nda kanya mu nde awo be committee nte wase ye dum kanya no na wakodum kanya no pre na wa nanti mu akodu amekom na obona akodum no pre se sie de NDC for ni awo ade na so mo party no woka omo say eyezu edinya kire so omo no ni zoo for ye aduma eyemua memwo no mu bu a kire yen no sa awo de eyezu no mo wo omo wo wura mu anase zoo enti ande awo afi zoo edundum yen kanea aden Ghana for yen kolawo Ghana for yen kolawo Ghana for yen nia bie eti mo beji ntoro na akosi da ben ina munyamu na mu wia yen energy minister we be ka kire yen say transformers ayira ye the cameras akoto of Ghana orempon na me newo ne yetena app we so ka na NDC for the cameras any nam Ghana na energy sector minister ne national security coordinator
yeah
no money nam container after container no more the cameras kire yen say ye wia cable say transformers anu nie
Say who say omo kochi Chinese fool bi about
Chinese fool nyina be yes skirmishes.
Ye gu omo.
Ye na fi abeka kire ye say dabi ade no kwase esi terminal bi wo e wo port. Enkwase afo say Ghana fo ambisa question biem. Aden. Eni ya jaja ya ho ama say be nkrofo we e de ya adwene di agoro wo man we mu saa. And that wadwuma obekọ adwuma mu a wo frɛ bi say kanya wo area ho ana ansa na wakọ adwuma mu. We are back to 2014. Eh, the same Mahama when energy sector debt all can on about broke adigu yen so.
Ghana
for mama manyinda ho. Mama manyinda ho papa. Na wo sia NDC me twa makwatia for NDC akasa no nka dum so yi ho asem na mentie. Me wi asa no na oba. Wo je mami mute no nkasa. Mami mute no nkasa. Yentie ni obeka.
Sister Peace kasansa na ono aba. Wo kasa wi ano aba na makọ na abone. Kwame Mr. Mo. Yes, sister Akwaba. Okay, and then ECG one sem. So Bekaya in 2025, 27th of May 2025, and Energy Minister Beka said 3,000 containers be Iran MPP for Nafa. Emma Omo a suspect year after no markets and Napu swum the area and a bay who a chile and ye be who say container and a crown or port is baby. Omukochi Chinese if we be say MPP for na ma makoton or makoton sane manama. And the former MD of UCG said, Sama and Niamana omuhu ye no abana nka ho hwe no. Eye boapayo omu wia edisie said ye beya ene omu de beya adwuma na o maka che Ghana for say o ma sande budget for frama no. And then you will take from on that.
Ni aba manyami shira. Na mpacho mitichi amunyi na Mahama samu de ye kan ade bechi na ya na de ye ya ni say ubenya Ghana fo ni bia so mu ya NDC ni no matan be gina ho no mu defend Mahama well na ye ni abi kan na me de me so me kan ni say be bia wo de Ghana ko share ye bia abawiye ye wo Yesu din why ka onu akla obefili so ansa na third time nation because say ye wo man the kind network ye they to so me ye to do so and na wo kwa Ghana ye hu ye security
Kidnappers ye kunkum krofo ne ade nyina
oh papa na some abeti wo Ghana not so yom and then who player ko had him ko uti say enye ti say nyame chi wade enko na chese na ko so Ghana nanka ba le say na Mahama yesan ko tu abama Mahama enti no media da bia because nyame di na ye ma na wadi chayen odi be chayen ko dis wo no na hum beti a obefiri wo abade so plaza na o minus ni na mo be ja ye ni na Ghana fo bia be gire honum na omo defend no wonu se yi nsɛmtwerɛ for the ye ni hwe ka kyerɛ wo omo kasa wo radio so omo nkwanyi wo botom na omo ma o minus say na ye nyina ye ho akontabuo wo se nyame ye nyina ye wo ne na asi ani
na sister can you imagine say NDC nitimi kokotna radio station no can say dum so bia ni ho now the host presenter no on can say
ani na mi kan say me chese ye de ye nka hwe ye se de ye bia nam nyame ani enti mo nko ama obotomu nya wo de na ma o mine say na ye benya Ghana ni ye gina ho se ya ti koko so fi 3,000 kwa be 25 ye benya Ghana ni o so ye ndis ni be gina ho se ye che 3,000 no
koko boy o say you can say koko na ya te so aba 2,875 na ye say 3,100 sano ka te
na me be ma woni se Mahama na di ka be ka tira ye se ya adwiri sha na ya adwiri sha na ye no kula se or come a woman now, woman do shana, so now, Casabano, or come a woman and travel on what of your Madonna, no credit a home so cano. Well, Yagin Sasa, Yagin Sha, and Cobepa, Nansapedi Dana Sitana person. What is the Kakoto play? The better day in the one is the Kakoto a transformer open. What is the Kakoto play? A better when you're oil a gumuna a light and also. Yagin Sha, and Copa Nansapes is a gun, Japadia, so Bawumia. Why would you, would you, and say, Wumia? Now, who what was your going to be? Ghana nkwala na kufa do won ko school no mu de omu chise omudidi